I'm Sean Brenneman with NK Brands and Genta Seeds, and today we're out in the middle of a cornfield to bring you some information about western bean cutworm, a new pest to Ontario. We've been fortunate enough to be out in this cornfield and find some moths actually flying around, and these are what the moths look like. Very distinguishable. They've got those two white bands along their sides, and they've got a white spot and a boomerang along the outside of the wing edge there. Very easy to find in the fields nowadays. We're out trapping these moths all across Ontario, bringing you reports about the infestation levels this year. So now that the moths are in the field, what's the next step? Well, we've actually been able to find some egg masses through this field, and what we're going to do is show you some of the egg masses now and how they're laying the eggs over the next couple days. These western bean cutworm egg masses were laid just within the last few days. At first they're initially white. They'll be laid between usually a few dozen, up to 200 eggs in a mass, and they're very pearly white to start with, transitioning to a tan color. Next, after the next stages, start to turn purple in a number of areas, and then dark purple just a day or two before hatching. From here, the larvae will start to spread up the plant. Here's an egg mass that's just hatched within the last few days. The larvae have traveled down this leaf, and as you can see, they're starting to climb up the stalk here. They're making their way up to the tassel at the top. They're going to feed for a few days, and then move back down to the silks, where they'll travel inside the silk channel, or else through the husk, where they'll cause ear damage and bringing other molds and damage into that plant.